Hey guys, welcome back. I finished up our sanding and clearing everything, making clearances and everything for this, so it is functioning well. I don't know if I get a good angle where I can get enough gravity to make it work, but there you go. Gonna have some good material today, and then it goes straight into some really boring material after that. So we'll probably speed up most of the second half. And today we should get past the halfway point of the steps. I don't know how long it's actually going to take from here, but the steps count. We're past halfway now, or will be. So, start off with this one. This, like that. They're determined to make me break this thing. I guess it would have been easier to do before I put it all together, but okay. Not sure what that's for, but okay. I didn't design the thing. Okay. Oh, and as a little treat, this tickled me. Get to see some of it in motion. Whoop. No, wrong way. Let's see, right back up. Okay. Now we actually get to put some big pieces together, which I'm excited about as well. Get the frame out. This one goes here. Seated in there really good. All right. You go. Picture. Here. No, I didn't do that. Oh, okay, I see. You're on here. Oh, yeah. You know I gotta get that ball bearing back out. Nice. And that's all the excitement for today. Now we're going into more mundane assembly of parts again. So, like I said, this will probably be sped up from here in, so.
Okay.
With that being done, what's the next page today? Let's see. Okay. I think we're going to call it there. Hopefully this is a quick one. I lose track of time when I'm doing this, but thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, comment, complain, whatever you want to do with that. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Thanks.